Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to go through another roll of $50 using our new microscope here. Records video and photos and stuff. We'll show you the video, see what we can find. Alright, see what we can find. Now, this is a 67, that's 40% silver, so definitely want to keep that one. See any doubling or anything there? No. Look at the back side. Dollar. Something on that one, but it'll clean off. I don't see any doubling errors or anything there. 66, it's also 40% silver. Keep it too. No doubling there. Sure would like to find one of the double dies. Backside. Nope. Here's a 74. Supposed to be some doubling in God We Trust on some of them. I didn't see anything there. There's your initials. Don't see any doubling there. In God We Trust, GRUST. No, another 74. Now this is the one that has the no FG sometimes on the reverse, so let's look at that. They're both there on this one. Another 72. I don't see any doubling there. Look for the initials. No doubling. There's the initials, FG. No doubling I see there. If I miss anything, y'all leave me a comment and let me know. I'll be glad to go back and get them. Another 72. Also the missing initials. There they are. Not missing on this one. Another 72. God We Trust, no. Initial, well, the F is kind of weak, but it is there. Let's focus in. Yeah, it's a little weak. May have to hang on to this one for now. Y'all finding any of these errors? 72 again. God We Trust, no doubling I see anywhere. Reverse, FG, another weak F. Yep, that F's pretty weak. Maybe I ought to hang on to this one too. Another 72. Any doubling in God We Trust? No, not that I see. FG. Well, they're both kind of weak there, but they are there. No doubling I see in $50. $76. Now this is the one that has the independence, the E and the H sometimes missing on independence on the reverse. Let's see. E and H are both there. Nah, not missing on this one. Anything doubled anywhere we see? No, I don't see anything. Another 76. Doubling, no, no. Anything there? No, nothing I see. E and the H. Nothing in America that I see. E and H are both there. Got a bunch of these Centennial ones, so there we are again, another 76. D. God we trust. No. Don't see anything there. No. E and H are there. Yep. Another Centennial. God we trust. No. Don't see any doubling there. Anything there? No, don't think so. E and H are both there. Another Centennial. Got a bunch of these. My wife found a bunch of these a long time ago, so just kind of hung on to them. That's where all these $half came from. My wife just put them back years ago. No E and H are there. Yep, it's all there. No doubling. Sure would like to find a double die, but they're hard to find. E and H are there. Still checking some of these $half, but we haven't found anything yet. Found a couple of interesting ones, but not really errors. But we're still looking. Got some more rolls to look through, too. Well, another Centennial. Yes, sir. Got a bunch of these, don't we? Y'all finding any of these with the letters missing? E and H is there. Another Centennial, 76. Any doubling there? Any pluribus unum? Nope. E is weak, but it's there. 76. Any doubling in those letters or anything around the head or anything? Nope. Don't see any doubling anywhere yet. Sure would like to find one. E and H are there. Another Centennial, 76. 100th Centennial. 100th anniversary, that'd be Centennial, wouldn't it? Doubling? No, not that I see there. E and H are there. Doubling? No. Centennial? Well, that ain't. No, I don't think so. It's a scratch or something. E and H are there. No doubling on $half. Another Centennial. We trust. No. No, nothing there. Independence Hall, E and H there. Any doubling? No. Just not finding any of the big errors, are we? I guess if they were easy to find, they wouldn't be worth anything, though. Another Centennial. America, no, pluribus. No, E and H are there. Another one. God, I told you I had a bunch of these she had found. The Centennials. Well, let's see if we can find another one here and see what we can get here. 76D. No doubling that I can see anywhere. Looking for the E and the H in the Independence Hall. E and H is there. Don't see any doubling. E and H appear to be there. And that's about it for now. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.